Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports AGM manual jack holder kit for Polaris RZR Pro R Desert Runner fixed tire carrier. Install time for this item is around 15 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project. So gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Install mounting brackets. Begin by mounting the first bracket using the included button head bolts. Start by hand threading the hardware to ensure proper alignment. Once started, use an impact driver with a 6mm hex bit to fully secure the bolts, as they will also support the jack during installation. For the second bracket, we found it easiest to start the bolts using an impact driver. If a tire is mounted on the carrier, remove it beforehand to make alignment easier of the mounting points. You may also need to slightly lift up on the tire carrier to help line up the mounting holes. Once everything is aligned, install the included hardware and secure it using an impact driver with an 8mm hex bit. Step 2. Install AGM Pro manual jack. Begin by placing the floor plate of the jack into the bracket and aligning the top of the jack with the upper mount. Using an impact driver with a 3/4-inch socket, slowly expand the jack to lock it into place. Only apply enough pressure to create a snug, secure fit within the mount. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the Dirt with DRT.